sabihin na yung look nyo pang Senado na at panghari pa, diba? But anyway, I just wanted to go back po dun sa sinabi nyo kanina. Medyo nabitin na ho kami dun sa pagsabi sa inyo ni Direct Mike about the concept and that you would have to be portraying a serious role from beginning to end. At sinabi nyo, eventually, parang sabi nyo, medyo naisip nyo, sige, gagawin ko na. Balikan lang po natin yung part na yun. Paano po kayo na-convince? Matagal na po kayong hindi nakabalik sa MMFF and people always expect you to bring the laughter sa festival. Pero ngayon po, ito ang pinili nyo. What convinced you to really do it?
Last time I made a movie for the festival was about 5 or 6 years ago, 2018. With Mission Unstoppable, with Direct Mike then, ang aming director, with the guys, with the boys, and Wayne Mendoza. And then, pandemic, parang natigil, and there were other concepts that were being presented to me. So, nung tinanong ako ni Direct, gagawin ko ba for December? Sabi ko, wala pa dahil may mga nagpe-present, ganyan. And when he presented to me the concept, as I've said earlier, I was medyo scared. Takot ako, baka hindi ko kaya. And I just want to share with you a story with my kids. There was one time we had dinner out, and all my kids were there. The older ones, which means Danica, si Oyo, si Biko, si Paulina, and Tali as well. And sabi nila sa akin, Dad, gumawa ka naman ng serious movie. Yung tipong, yung malagad father, yung medyo may pagkabili ng dating. Sabi ko, I'll think about it. At that time, sikat yung A Man Called Otto by Tom Hanks. Sabi ko, sige, I even joked about it. Sabi ko, sige, gawin ko yung A Man Called Soto. Sabi ko yun. Yung masungit na, alam mo na. So dumating yung concept, dumating yung proposal ni Direct Mike. I think, so I said to myself, eto na yun, eto na yung hinihingi ng mga anak ko. It's something out of my comfort zone. It is an out-of-the-box concept. That's why I decided I want to do this.
Having done and completed the film na series po from beginning to end, ano po yung naramdaman yung fulfillment pagkatapos mo at realization?
Mas naramdaman ko yung pagod.
Sigurado po.
Of course, fulfillment. I don't know if I did good. Nasa mga viewers na yun.
Low ba?
may subtitle naman, bossy, mamaya.
I did my best. I hope my best is okay, no? Ewan ko, Direct. Okay ba?
Direct, did you ever have any doubts for that bossing? Or was bossing really the person, like the actor that you wanted to cast for this role?
Yeah. Nung tinawagan ko si Bossing, sabi niya, sige, pag-usapan niya natin yan. He piqued his interest, but he didn't commit agad. He invited me to his house. And then what I realized is, Bossing never said yes, actually. He never accepted the project. We just ended up talking for about mga 3 hours, and he just started asking questions. Parang in terms of cast, look, production design. Sabi ko, hindi pa siya umuo eh. Bakit namin pinag-uusapan yun? And I knew he was already in. Diba? Parang yung puso niya nag-commit na, even if his mouth didn't say the words yet. Pero ako naman, having seen the film, of course, having completed it, alam natin, lagi natin naririnig yung ito kakaibang ganito ang makikita nyo, kakaibang bossing, ito talaga kakaiba. Kasi he has never done it in his whole career. And ako, at least, as a director, I told him, one of my first words nung nag-usap kami about the concept, sabi ko, bossing, if you say no, the movie will not exist. That was also my deal with sila Miss Jane and Miss Hannah. If bossing says no, I will not do the film. So, at least bossing, enjoy na lang tayo ng Pasko natin, wala tayong MMFF. But he said yes, and that's why we're all here.